Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah. Nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruh. Wa na'udzu billahi min syururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina. May yahdihillahu fala mudilla lahu wa may yudlil fala hadiya lahu. Amma ba'du. Today, I want to tell you about Abu Bakar authentic biography, 7-minute video of Sirah. In the fast history of Islam, few figures shine as brightly as Abu Bakr as-Siddiq, the closest companion of Prophet Muhammad and the first leader of Muslim community after the Prophet's passing. His life is a story of faith, loyalty, sacrifice, and remarkable leadership. And I'm telling you about his real life. Abu Bakr, whose real name was Abdullah bin Abi Kuhafah, was born in 573 century in the city of Medina. He belonged to the noble tribe of Quraysh, especially the clan of Banu Tayyib. Even before Islam, Abu Bakr was known for his gentle character. He never worshipped idols, avoided drinking alcohol, and was respected for his honesty. People trust him deeply, often coming to him for advice and help. He worked as a merchant, becoming becoming known for his fairness and integrity. His personality made him well loved in Mecca society long before the message of Islam began. And and then the second, his appearance of Islam. When Prophet Muhammad received revelation at the age of 40, Abu Bakr was among the very first people to accept Islam. Many historical accounts say he was the first adult male to embrace the new faith. The moment the Prophet told him about the revelation, Abu Bakr believed immediately, without hesitation, without doubt. This strong and immediate faith is why he later earned the title as-Siddiq, meaning the truthful, or the one who affirms the truth. Through Abu Bakr, many other early Muslims were guided to Islam, including Utsman bin Affan, Talha bin Ubaidillah, Zubair bin Al-Awwam, and many more. His influence spread the new message quickly. And then the third of the story is his loyalty and companionship. Abu Bakr was stood by Prophet Muhammad SAW through every hardship. He spent much of his wealth freeing slaves who were tortured for their faith, such as Bilal bin Rabah. He supported the Prophet during times when many reject him, mock him, or even threatened his life. Abu Bakr's loyalty, Abu Bakr's loyalty never changed. One of the most famous moments of his companionship happened during the Hijrah, the migration from Mecca and Medina. When the Prophet planned to move secretly to escape danger, he chose Abu Bakr as his only companion. For 3 days, they hid in a cave of Tur while their enemies searched everywhere. It was during this moment that the Quran described Abu Bakr with the Prophet. When God reassured him, do not be afraid. Indeed, Allah is with us. This moment became one of the most iconic symbols of faith and truth in Islamic history. And the fourth of this chapter is his title, As-Siddiq. As the early I I say As-Siddiq means the truthful, or the one who or the one who affirms the truth. Abu Bakr received the title As-Siddiq after the event of the Isra and Miraj, where the Prophet fly from Mecca to Baitul Maqdis in one night. The night journey of the Prophet, when some people doubt the truth of this miracle, Abu Bakr said, if Muhammad said it, then it is true. His unwavering belief became an example for all Muslims. The fifth, Abu Bakr as a leader during the Caliphate. When Prophet Muhammad SAW passed away in the year 632 century, the Muslim community was overwhelmed with grief and confusion. Many could not accept the news. It was Abu Bakr who stood up and reminded everyone with strength and clarity. Whoever worshipped Muhammad know that Muhammad has passed away, but whoever worshipped Allah know that Allah is ever living and never dies. This speech stabilized the entire community. Shortly after, he was chosen as the first caliphate, the political and spiritual leader of the Muslims at that place. And then the achievement during his caliphate, all all although he ruled for only 2 years, his impact was enormous. Like wow, so big. The first is unifying the Muslim Ummah after the Prophet dies. Some tribes refuse to pay zakat, while others left Islam or murtad. This event led to the Ridda Wars or the Wars of Apostasy. Abu Bakr decisively brought unity back to the Arabian Peninsula, ensuring Islam did not collapse. And then the second achievement during his caliphate is protecting the Quran. During his time, the Battle of Yamama led to the death of many Quran memorizers, fearing that portions might be lost. Umar ibn Khattab advised Abu Bakr to collect the Quran into one book. Abu Bakr agreed and appointed Said bin Sabir to lead the project. Because of Abu Bakr's decision, the Quran was preserved and compiled into a single manuscript, something that remains a blessing for all Muslims today. And the third, continuing the Prophet's mission. Abu Bakr sent armies to defend the Muslim community and spread the message peacefully. Following the Prophet's commands, he maintains justice, simplicity, and humanity through his worship and through his leadership. Chapter 7, his character. Despite being the leader of rapidly growing nation, Abu Bakr lived a life of extremely simplicity. He would fix clothes with his own hands, milk cows for his neighbors, and never misuse public money. His humility was so deep that he would often cry out in fear of falling in his duty to Allah. His compassion, fairness, and devoting became the standard of future Muslims. And the eighth, his passing and legacy. Abu Bakr was passed in the 634th century at the age of 63, the same age as Prophet Muhammad SAW. He was buried beside the Prophet in what is today the Prophet's Mosque in Medina. His legacy that lives on us, the best companion, the Prophet, the first Caliph of Islam, a man of truth, devotion, and sacrifice, and then fourth, someone who decisions preferred Islam during the most critical time. Muslims remember him with deep respect, love, and admiration. And then I will look for the closing. The what we learn from the story, Abu Bakr as-Siddiq, life is a reminder that true greatness comes from faith, sincerity, and devotion to others. His story continues to inspire millions around the world and encourage to ring as the lead with honesty, humility, and courage. I think that's all. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.